So ayun guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Panoorin ang video ito na ginawa ko via record and television only. Ito ay Miss Universe Philippines na ginanap kamakailan lamang. Panoorin ko.
Very ready.
Ganda niyo.
A bit closer to the crowd. Filo, Filo!
Yeah! That's my kababayan. Napaka-unique talaga niya.
All right, I see this crowd is ready for you. Are you ready for the question?
This girl's the most amazing days of my lives. But if there's one moment that I want to go back, probably those days that we were in Sultan Kudarat, we had national costume in there. Though all the girls were really exhausted, that's when we see the sisterhood that is in there. So this is really more of like a celebration for us.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you, Iloilo. The next pot is for you. Bulacan!
Napaka-simple lang napaka-simple lang ng Bulacan.
Let's do this. I want to know, what are you looking forward to if you had the choice? Not being able to wear heels or getting your favorite food delivered to you anytime, any day, wherever you are in the world?
So one of the things that I also want to share here is that I love to eat ice cream. It's one of my comfort foods.
Ayun, sa Taguig.
Wow. All right, congratulations. Part of the competition. Bacoor!
Sa atin yan, Cavite.
Okay, you look ready for your question. Oh, I'm not even gonna ask you. Let's go. It's left, and you're still in. Pampanga! Congrats! You ready to do this? I'm ready too. Let's go.
Ang ganda niya.
Okay. 10. Quezon Province!
Ayun, Quezon Province na. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya. Gatisa! O, di ba? Ang ganda niya.
Okay. All right. The crowd goes crazy. We hear you. Okay. Okay. I see.
Dahil yung audience impact talaga siya.
Question, okay?
Ang
All right. If you
Na
were
Quezon
on a
Province.
deserted island,
Supportado talaga
these
siya.
ladies here, who would you pick? And be smart about it now because you're stuck there. Who would it be and why?
How many can I pick? I'm pretty sure a lot of the girls would feel bad if I just pick one. I have a lot of best friends in this competition. But I would pick Miss Karina because she is a mom. And I know she will be able to take care of me. And I take care of her as well. Thank you.
You made it this
Galing
far.
din.
Kaita!
Sabi ka,
Look at this look of relief on your face. We're so excited.
I'm so excited to be here with these two queens. Yes, I
Want to smile. Okay. Belongs to you. Zambales! She's shaking. Okay, I'm going to hold you. All right, let's give her her question. She's going through it right now. And the last delegate advancing to the top 10 is you.
ang ganda ni Gabi, no? Ano daw? Baguio.
Better. Hard question, or maybe not for you. What makes Filipino women the most awesome, amazing women in the world?
Every Filipino women are empowered women, and I see it through my mother because when my father passed away, I see the courage, the strive to be strong to take care of our family, and I believe that that is the true essence of how every empowered Filipino woman should really emanate up to now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm round of applause to our stunning and phenomenal top 10. I had so much fun getting to know our delegate.
Phenomenal top 10 nga pala
Enjoy
to.
different lifestyles, and nothing is going to prevent them from doing. Starting off with Cebu.
Wow, ang ganda rin. Nagliliwanag yung gown ng Cebu.
Ilog.
I'm so glad na sa top 10 ay napasama yung aking kababayan na Iloilo Province. Of course! Ang kababayan ko! Ay, wagi! Wow! The green! Ang ganda rin ng gown niya. Oh, pak! Ganda! Bulacan. Wow, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng gown ng Bulacan. Tagig. Wow, napaka-unique ng gown. Oh, wow! Nagkikinang-kinang yung Bacoor Cavite. Oh, super red. Ganda rin, oh. Ang ganda ng gown niya. Ganda ako sa kanya. Ay, oh, ang ganda niya. Ano to? Quezon Province. Ala, bakit ang dami na talagang audience impact talaga siya? Quezon Province na, ang galing. Saka ang ganda niya. Oh, wow. Michael Cinco yan. Ang dami niyang supporters. 6 na bus yata sila. Tapos except mga private vehicle pa. Wow, waging-wagi. Parang sa pa lang audience impact ko.
Kainta.
Nag-workout to. Oh, ganda na. Na-maintain niya rin yung katawan niya. Wow! Ano yung 23 yung waistline? Ay, kaya pala sobrang liit nga. Wow! Grabe, 23 yung waistline. Hello, nga, parang marimar na to ah. Oh, parang si Talia na. Talia yung bewang, 23. Ano yung tanong niya?
Baguio.
Yung Iloilo, bukod tanging siya lang naka-green. Pero maganda yung din ng Iloilo. Para litaw na litaw yung kulay. Pero unique ng nila to. Ang ganda ng mukha. Top 5.
Here are the top 5 delegates of Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Who will be the new Miss Universe Philippines? Let's find out when we return.
Ay, wow! Suot ni Michelle D.
My journey of 1,000 steps began with all of you. And tonight, as we reach this incredible moment together, it feels like we've achieved something truly special.
Ganda.
This year is when I embraced my authentic self. I stopped trying to conform and started focusing on what it truly means to be Miss Universe Philippines. And to become that was a responsibility I didn't take lightly. Its success is not mine to celebrate alone though. To my family, my mom, my dad, my mamita, and to my siblings who have inspired me in more ways than I can count, thank you for showing me how to perceive life.
Miss Philippines 2023,
Michelle D.
Our Miss Universe 2024 fourth runner-up is...
Fourth runner-up ang Taguig. Ano yung nangyari tayo? Ano yun?
Miss Universe Philippines 2024 third runner-up is...
Baguio!
Third si Baguio.
3 ladies left.
Second
Our
runner-up,
Miss
Desert Province.
Universe 2024 second runner-up is...
Quezon Province!
Hindi siya ano. Pero okay, deserve kasi ni ano, ni Bulacan eh. Ano super deserve niya. Ganda oh.
Okay, 2 ladies remain, and only one will be crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2024. The new Miss Universe Philippines!
Ayun, nakita na yung, ano, nakita niya na.
Announced first
This
is our new Miss Universe Philippines, followed by the first runner-up.
Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is...
Ayun na, nag-glow na siya oh. Ganda ng dimple.
Bulacan!
Siya talaga nga, si Bulacan.
Is Kaipa.
Basta magaling niya mag-balance ng corona. Si Michelle kasi yung pagkakakabit na corona. Oo kaya. Tama. Ay, ano yung ginanon lang? Ba't ganon? Tinasong lang talaga literal. Nag-viral siya dyan eh. Bakit? Diyan malalaman kung gaano siya kagaling. Ang galing nga mag-balance ng corona. Hindi diipit niya yata yun. Matik yung nakaipit pa.
As Miss Universe Philippines 2024! You did it!
Ayun, inayos niya. Inayos niya? Oo. Ayun na, inayos. Ayan, naka-ano kasi siya, nakaganyan lang. So, dapat, ano nga siya, nakaipit. Congratulations, Miss Bulacan. You made a great job.